Hey everybody, welcome back. You know, I spend a lot of time cooking on my Blackstone, either here at the house or coast to coast, showing off how much fun it is to get creative with the Blackstones. But it seems like I'm always pigeonholing myself here on my YouTube channel. Burgers and quesadillas, and it's the simple go-tos and variations of them. But I cook everything from breakfast to entrees, side dishes, appetizers, all of the above. Today I'm finally going to show you an appetizer, a side dish that I really like, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. I'm going to start with a bunch of fresh asparagus spears. I washed them and patted them dry with a paper towel. Now we're going to cut the bottom ends off. I'm going to take some thick sliced bacon and I'm going to wrap them around the spear, starting at the top all the way down to the bottom. Think about a barbershop pole. Want to leave the top and the bottom exposed. You can use our all-purpose seasoning, but today I'm going to use our steakhouse seasoning. Just sprinkle it on top of the bacon. I have my Blackstone Air Fryer Combo baskets on about medium heat, and I'm going to use the brand new Blackstone scraper tongs to put those in the baskets. Last but not least, I'll give the tops and the bottoms a little spritz of olive oil. Now I have to get my workstation nice and clean before I blow your mind with this dish. When the bacon starts to crisp up, I'm going to turn that knob down to low because I don't want the bacon to burn. Now, just like with the griddle top, we're cooking outdoors. Cooking times will vary. On a combination of medium and low heat, these took about 22 to 23 minutes to cook. Take a look at that. Natalie came out to join me, so
let's give it a try.
There you go, folks. Delicious side dish appetizer. Scrumptious, succulent, savory, and the seasoning. So good. Folks, thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Todd and Natalie. I'm saying praise the Lord.
And pass the bacon-wrapped asparagus yumminess.